In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an action, a Photoshop action, to define brushes. And obviously if you've only got one brush you probably obviously won't need to actually define it, but if you've got say like 100 different PNG files or JPEG files, etc., then obviously it's much easier just to quickly create an action and then use the batch feature. Now I'm just going to go to Photoshop. This is CS6. Just going to go now to File, Open. Just going to open a file. Just select one of these PNG files. Of course, you could use any PNG file. Click Open. Right, now it's actually opened. You can now go to the Actions palette here. Of course, if you haven't seen it, it's on Windows, Actions. So I'm just going to quickly go to the Record an Action. Create new action. So click that. Of course, give it a name. Click Record. Right, it's a very simple action. It's going to be just basically edit, define brush preset. OK. And I'm just going to then close the file. Right. And now stop. That's it. That's all I want to do. There it is, action 3. Okay, once you've done that, of course, I could have actually added more features into the action. I could have actually, say, applied blurs, or maybe rotate the brush, or maybe decrease the size. Those sort of things. Apply different effects, stained glass effect, whatever. Doesn't have to be just a straight make a brush. So obviously, a set of files, like 100 files or something, 100 PNG files, you could actually create 100 blurred PNG files as well. Very simple and easy way of doing that. Right. Now I've done that, I can go to the File, Automate, Batch, and you will see the action there. Of course, there's other actions. I've actually, with all my latest PNG file brush sets, there's a whole set of actions already stored. But this is a way of actually creating the action itself. Now choose, and there's the folder already, PNG brushes, choose. And then just basically run through, click OK. And it will run through the various files, which will be saving them now to the brush part. Obviously, this is going to take, for 100 files, it takes a few seconds. It's not instantaneous. And obviously, if you've got a faster machine, maybe it will be a lot quicker. And of course, you can always stop as well. Stop. So I can quickly show you that the brushes have been saved. So I'm just going to, and there's the brushes that I've just done before I actually stopped the run. And you can of course do this with, like I say, any PNG files, and you can, like I say, apply effects, whatever. So quick, easy way of creating Photoshop brushes. And of course, one thing about PNG files, you can also use them as a source for other parts of things like textures, displacements, patterns, and much more.